Wondering whether to get acoustic panels or foam? Then this video is for you. Hey everybody, I'm Roshan George Thomas from E-Flat Acoustical Solutions and PerfBass Advanced Acoustics, holder of 3 patents in applied acoustics for effective low frequency absorption and complete room designs. Here with a 4 minutes acoustics breakdown. Today we ask the question, acoustic panels or foam? Which should you get? Foam is the inexpensive option, suitable wherever you require clear audio capture but not critical sound editing. This includes voiceovers, podcasts, streaming, and so on. And you don't need pyramid-shaped foam labeled as acoustic foam, or the thicker varieties marketed as foam bass straps, or even foam diffusers. These don't work optimally even if they pass the clap test. 1-inch thick open cell foam that is flat is more than sufficient, and a good distribution can be achieved by distributing equal square footage of foam on all the walls and the ceiling. The more the bare walls are covered, the better it is. And here's an additional tip: a carpet or even a bed or two on the floor helps even more. Acoustic panels are better than foam in every way. They provide more balanced absorption across the entire frequency spectrum and are essential for quality recording capture, radio-worthy mix mastering results, and a good home theater or audiophile suite. But not all acoustic panels are the same, and there is a nuanced science in designing them that has been trivialized. Density is not the overriding factor like conventional knowledge suggests. Most commercially available options are far from optimal at only 1 to 3 inches thick, and may even have an air gap included in the design to save on shipping and material costs. While proper acoustic panel design is governed by a solid understanding of impedance, flow resistivity, porosity, permeability, and other factors, a benchmark for quality should be thickness being a minimum of 4 to 6 inches. Another key factor is surface area of coverage. It is often the case that a room is not populated enough with acoustic panels to achieve the best results. Placement is key, and while first and second reflection points are a good place to start, much better room and speakers frequency response can be achieved with calculated acoustic design and placement of acoustic panels with measurable results. Here is the before and after spectrogram results of a room with just 10 E-flat acoustic panels and our ceiling cloud. Our E-flat packs are designed for portability and performance in any room, so you can take them with you and move them to another room if you are someone who stays in a rented apartment. If you would like to experience what E-flat acoustic panels can bring in terms of an improvement to a room, there is a video link in the description where you can hear the difference via songs played before and after treatment. So choose wisely and well. Foam if you're looking for an inexpensive option, but acoustic panels if you don't want to compromise on quality. Check out the description for video links of songs that I have recorded and mixed in a room with foam and in another room with acoustic panels. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. Until next time, sound better and mix smarter.